This video is when I'm testing my hexacopter at home. I put it on the table, I use my book bag and a couple other things on the landing gear to keep it from moving. I just wanted to spin up the motors and make sure that they were spinning properly, they were balanced, all of them were running at about the same speed, and I could arm the drone inside without worrying about like GPS lock or the compass being a problem. This time I actually had to unplug the battery and then plug it back in to get the compass to start working properly, but it worked out all right. And the next phase is to tether the drone to the table so that I can fly and check pitch, roll, and yaw, and make sure that all of those adjustments, the elevation, the elevators, not that there's elevators, but on a drone there's a control for that. All that's working properly. Now this is a photo of the finished product, so we're kind of going backwards in time, but that should be ready for a test flight. It's been put back together with the propellers in the right orientation. So this is another aspect of it. This is the drone I'm working on at the ENVI lab, the Hornet's Nest, and I'm getting some help with some folks to tie it down so we can do what I wanted to do with the drone, the hexacopter at home, test pitch, yaw, the elevator up and down, and all those things so I can make sure that it flies level the first time it comes up off the ground. Have to do some final changes, make sure that some of the screws that are put in right now are tightened, and we make sure we secure all the motor arms. So this is two folks that are working there in the lab with me, Mark and Mike, helping me with the tie down, and then gonna do a little test with the other gentleman I'm working with. His name is George. We're just going to test and make sure that it elevates, comes up, left and right, forward and back, pitch up and down, works properly. Right now it's okay, but we're going to try to get a little bit more of that working in the near future. So just documenting everything as I go over it. I hope this helps someone. Right now this is the flight controller, and then now we're watching a fast playback, like time lapse of me rearranging all of the arms on the drone, all the motors, so that they're spinning in the right direction. That's absolutely critical to have the drone fly level, and the direction is based on how the frame is built and the direction of the motors. So originally it wasn't proper, but George labeled them for me and I rearranged them. This is kind of a diagram to show the way which motors needed to be changed so they spun in the right directions, and hopefully we'll get the flight to work out next time.